Welcome back to 3BR Off-Road. Hey Memphis, where are we at? Where are we at? Oh, come on here, can I say it?
Say Hogwaller?
We're at Hogwaller? Where are we gonna go across? Gator Hole?
Gator Hole.
We're gonna see how this goes. We just showed up, well, we've been here since Wednesday, but we just showed up to Gator Hole and we're gonna try and go across it, see how it works.
Sorry, puppies. Hold on now.
Of course the bike shut off. Pretty sure something's wet. Saying yay?
Did we make it across?
We make it across, Bobby?
Say yay!
Bike shut off in the middle, like it usually does. Happens every time we go across Gator Hole. Shuts off in the middle. I gotta figure out what the hell's going on with that. Hey Memphis, how was that?
Good.
It was good? It was fun? Even though it shut off?
We got stuck.
We got stuck? Yeah, we sure did. No bucks are dry. Belt didn't get wet, it just got stuck and shut off. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll figure out this electrical gremlin and we won't have these problems, but we'll see. We'll go across the side this time. There's a stump over here, see how this goes. Not too bad. Yay!
We got stuck.
I got both. Well, we weren't stuck. Technically, we weren't stuck. It made it out of the hole. But anyways, welcome back to 3BR Off-Road, guys. We've been out here since Wednesday, just enjoying the family time. We did Thanksgiving out here. First time doing Thanksgiving out here. Actually went pretty well. It already feels like it's Sunday since we've been here since Wednesday. And we're just now getting around to riding and having some fun. That was actually the first hole I went through, so can't win them all, I guess. I mean, I made it across, so technically we won, but every time, for some reason, to get waist deep in this thing and it wants to lose power and shut off. I had it to the floor and it's weird. So, don't know if it's a mechanical issue or an electrical issue. I would assume electrical, but it starts back up, so I don't know. It's weird. Alright, so it's my mom's first time at Hogwaller. We've been coming here since 2012. She's never come with us. Finally somehow drug her out, and this is her first time in the side-by-side. Trying to take it a little easy on her. She, as you can tell, is not dressed for the occasion. She don't want to get her shoes wet. So I'm trying to make sure we don't get them wet. I'm not going to get your shoes wet. Are you okay? I barely hit the wall.
I said it's in my butt.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
I thought he'd video the trail. He's gonna video her. I'm being as calm as I can be. Going slow, that way it doesn't get too deep. If it starts to come in the floorboard, I gotta stop. Can't get her shoes wet. What do you think?
I think you better stop with this on the YouTube thing.
Oh, it's going on YouTube, sorry. Love you to death, but it's going on YouTube. Sorry, it might not be the most exciting riding, guys, but it's exciting for me since it's their first time, so.
One time.
gonna do this?
I don't know. Because you've already read that, even though you don't want to admit it. We had that discussion earlier about Corey being redneck and Corey not being a redneck.
I'm not, she's gonna try and tell stories on here and I'm not gonna allow it.
He is a redneck.
I know, well, they can clearly see that.
Well, quit saying you're not.
I never said I wasn't.
Somebody said Corey said he's not a redneck, and I said, oh.
Watch your.
Really?
What?
You're gonna have the trees knock me out.
Giving you the same experience everyone gets.
Oh, this is pretty neat. I love that crystal right here.
I don't know, it's been deep before.
Oh, but have you not already finished this thing?
This way? No.
Yeah.
I haven't been this way this weekend.
You know, I mean,
That's why I'm going slow. No, but I don't go this slow usually.
oh my God.
Poor Taylor, she lost the business something too. Okay?
Yes. I'll find out. Hear it?
No, I didn't hear it.
Everyone look, I got my breather just in case she freaks me out.
She's like, you can't go through the water or do anything to scare me. We're gonna have a panic attack. We're gonna end up in the hospital.
I brought my name. Oh, what was that?
Side by side. What was that noise?
That feels like that. I thought we were going. We're gonna go down, down, down.
You're getting the full experience. I'm not half-assing this.
Yes, you are. Better have that than our mama.
I don't mean anything.
No.
Never had it happen. Alright, it might get a little deep.
Oh my goodness. Look at you.
There's no water in the floorboard. We're good.
Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. Are we going back?
No, we're going further out. You want to go back?
Yeah, I'm ready to go back.
Alright. Alright, so how was that for your first time?
That wasn't bad. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I don't know how to
I think that's my mama's first time on the channel too. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone. You're going to get stuck.
I'm gonna try not to.
Remember, you're the biggest.
Where's the new rope?
I'm not using that yet.
I ain't using that thing.
I'm gonna use my winch.
No, I'm pulling
There's a stump in front of me. How are we gonna get that out? Oh my God, I might not be able to move. No, because I have a stump in front of me.
We hit a stump hard over here.
Yeah, well, I try to go the other way.
Hey, will you
Go this way, stay that side.
Stop, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Here, step the paw. I'm filming. Hold on, Mom.
Grandma's scared. Look at her.
Look at Grandma's face.
I'll get in front of him in a minute. Corey. Hey, what's Daddy doing? He's got to go get Mike unstuck.
Are you filming?
Okay, Mommy's got to walk that way with it though. Okay?
Who's that? That's Memphis. We can see Mommy. In Memphis.
Okay, Mommy's got to go over here with it.
Go over there for that.
All right, hold on, boys.
All right, it's Saturday morning. We broke some on our night ride. The first thing I noticed was my steering was way off, and that is because it doesn't really show it too well, but my steering rack, oh yeah, you can see it right there. It is bent to hell and back. Oh yeah, that's a really good shot. You can definitely tell how bent it is. That's not the end of the world. Made it through the rest of the night. Didn't have too many problems. The limiting change did help stop the front diff from locking in all the time, but they've already bent the bolts, so we're gonna redo all this. This was literally just a temporary fix. We're gonna end up welding tabs on the frame and up, or on the A-arm, I should say, and up on the frame, and do actual, and we'll have actual limiting straps on there to limit the suspension from falling out. But that's not the biggest thing I found. This morning when I woke up, actually I'm gonna show you how I found it. Here, let me put it back where it was, and then we'll flip around to it. Yeah, I don't know how I managed that. It is literally, oh, come on out. Broke off in there. The Dirt Mafia lives no more. I have no clue how I managed that, what I hit to rip that thing off. It had to have been hard because that's not, you know, anything weak. The rest of it held up great, took the abuse, but that one did not like it. So thankfully I brought 2 extra sets with me, so we're gonna go ahead and smack one in. But yeah, let's get this bad boy fixed. All right, it's been a long day. Got the ball joint fixed like you saw. Then I got a wild hair at my ass and decided I was gonna try and fix the steering rack, put a new one in it. Although what we have is a new body style, and decided to go ahead and see, oh, we can probably get this to fit. Now, just a little bit different bolt pattern where it actually bolts in, so here's what it is. We're out here now and finally getting a ride. So we're getting late. See what happens. You did it good, man. You did it good. Damn. Your boy did it good. Is he part of your group?
Yeah, we tried to get him out.
Oh, you got him out. I mean, damn. What'd you say? The woo! You tired? You good, Bubs? High five. Hey. High five. Alright, I'd say we had a pretty successful weekend out here at Hogwaller for Turkey Bog. Side-by-side's actually loaded up on the trailer. We are completely ready to go. But it made it on in its own power. Only thing we broke was the one ball joint in the steering rack. Steering rack managed to hold up the rest of the weekend. Couldn't turn left to save my life. It's just maybe like 10 degrees at the most. It was pretty pathetic. It was hard to get around some trails. Running a lot of trees over just to make it work. I'm pretty sure running trees over is what broke the ball joint. I think I may have hit a tree and it snapped the top of it off. Oh well. And then last night we were out in Tiger Hole and I went to go back down in and it just shut off. Come to find out, we get back, sucked up a little bit of water through the intake boot. One of them was cracked, of course. Need to figure out a solution for that. It's like the 4th or 5th one I've cracked. I guess they're just getting hot and getting brittle and then cracking. It's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. That's what happens when you do the kind of we do. Hey, can you say bye?
Bye. Can you say 3BR?
What's wrong with the side-by-side? Is it broke?
No.
No? Daddy fix it? Fixed? But thank you for the continued support, sharing, liking, subscribing, commenting. Till next time, guys, peace.